Learning to code can be a daunting task. There are plenty of resources on how to get started, but once you understand the basics, you are thrust directly into a world of complex projects with intimidating code bases and no direction. Here at Niidl, we aim to bridge that gap by connecting engineers with projects that resonate with them through advanced search features and personalized discussion boards. You can take advantage of our plethora of tags to refine your searches to repositories added directly to GitHub or Niidl. If you want to join in on the conversation, signing up is as simple as connecting your GitHub to your Niidl account, allowing you to add discussions, propose additions to projects of others, and even add your own. Our project is built using TypeScript with our front-end framework in Next.js and authentication handled by Firebase. Our backend is built on Node.js with Express, which queries a Postgres database utilizing a Prisma ORM. Deployment is handled by Vercel and DigitalOcean with Docker containers. So, whether you're a budding developer striving to make an impact, or an open source project engineer looking for enthusiastic engineers to work with, visit us at needle.co to find your needle in the haystack today.